Here's how I make 2 weeks worth of high-protein vegetarian lunches in under an hour. I'm a nutritionist and sensory scientist who shares a new chickpea recipe every Friday, and these freezer sheet pan falafel wraps are about to become your new go-to vegetarian lunch. You store these wraps in the freezer where they're going to last for up to 3 months, and each one has 25 grams of protein. We are cleaning out the pantry with this one. We're using 4 cans of chickpeas. If you're more patient than me, you could do this in batches, but you're basically going to blend everything together in a food processor. We've got some chickpeas, onion, garlic, and a bunch of herbs. We'll brighten it up with some lemon zest, add some flour for binding, spices, and then we're adding egg whites here. Now, egg whites are not traditional in falafel, but we're using them not only for the high protein aspect, but also so that we can bake the falafel on a sheet pan like this and turn them into patties. All right, once that's cooked through and brown on top, use a spatula to cut it into 10 pieces. Then get to work wrapping up those tortillas. I have a recommendation for my favorite tortillas on the blog post for this recipe. They're technically low carb, but I like to use them because they're really stretchy and they don't break when you're rolling. Once they're all assembled, wrap them in either plastic wrap, foil, or parchment paper. And if you're storing them for longer than a few weeks, prevent freezer burn by putting them into a freezer bag or container. When you're ready to eat, just microwave for 2 minutes and optionally air fry for 2 to 3 more minutes. Happy eating!